Good afternoon, viewers, and welcome to the very first Bacolod City Inasal Challenge. Everybody knows that Bacolod City is the home of chicken Inasal in the Philippines, but where sells the best one? Which restaurant has the best chicken Inasal in Bacolod City? Well, this is the quest to find out, guys. We're on part 3 now. The winner of the first one in the Manakang country was Naina's 1. The winner of part 2 was Mascara Chicken from the NGC. And today, going head to head, we're heading down to Lacson Street and we're heading to 2 of the biggest Inasal restaurants in town. Also 2 of the oldest. We're heading to Chicken Deli and we're heading to Chicken House. First stop is the main branch of Chicken House. They have quite a few branches around now. And the one I'm heading to is just on Lacson Street, the main branch. And further down from that on Lacson Street, we're heading to Chicken Deli, which is probably the biggest place in town that sells Inasal. So, here we go. Next stop, Chicken House, Lacson Street. Take out petrol pack isa. Pila?
98.
98.
Isa lang?
Yeah, isa lang.
98.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. How long?
Mga 5 minutes.
Thank you. So this is Chicken House on Lacson Street. 98 pesos for the pecho pack. I'm always getting pecho pack at the moment from everywhere I go to make it as fair as possible. And I also try the chicken without the dipping sauces. These things. Because I want to taste the actual chicken itself without any outside tastes. So anyway, where's my chicken? Here it is. Right, time to go. Next stop, Chicken Deli. here we are, guys, right opposite Cedar Hotel. This building on the left is Chicken Deli. This has been here a long time, since the 1980s, I think. It's still got the best location in town, though. Right, let's go and find a Petcho pack. Can I get one Petcho pack, take out?
Take out. With rice or without?
Voila.
Go ahead. Saka pecho pack alone yan. Take out. Isa lang. One sir, no?
One, yeah. Pila, no?
Sir, dito. Isa lang pecho, ala card.
Pila?
130 pesos only, sir.
130?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. At 130 pesos, that's the most expensive chicken I've ordered so far in this series. Maybe it's bigger than the other ones. Who knows? We'll see later. Even got an upstairs here, 2 floors, so it's probably the biggest one in town. They have a second floor upstairs. They're pretty quiet at the moment.
Peanut.
Okay.
Manny. Here's my chicken.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now it's time to go and do the taste test. The most important part. So here we are, the taste test. On the right, we've got Chicken House. On the left, Chicken Deli. First thing, let's see what they give you with it. No calamansi. Chicken House just give you some dipping sauce and no calamansi. Chicken Deli, what do they give you? You got a little bag. You get calamansi from them. Maybe at Chicken House it's already mixed. I don't know. I'm only trying the chicken meat anyway. I don't want any outside influences of taste. Let's have a look first at the Chicken House. Oh, I like the colour. Nice and red and golden. Yep, looks just a normal standard Inasal. Looks very nice. Nice golden colour used there. Must have marinated it in those red seeds. They're called aswati seeds or something like that. The ones that make the red chicken oil. Yep, Chicken House looks good. 98 pesos the chicken Inasal there. Let's look at the Chicken Deli. This one was 30 pesos more. Actually 32 pesos more. So what do you get for your money? Is it much bigger? It does look bigger actually. And there's Chicken Deli. Yep, different looking, different cutting. Not quite as golden. Chicken Deli is a lot bigger. So for the extra money you pay, you get more meat. So, Chicken Deli on the left, Chicken House on the right. And it's all about the taste, guys. They're both Petcho pack, which is a breast with a chicken wing on the end of it. And it's time to taste them. First I'll start with the Chicken House. It looks a good Inasal anyway. Yep, very nice. Yep, all the Inasal flavours are there. A little bit sweet, a little bit sour. Let's Let's try chicken deli. I do like this one better, I think. For me, I think I'm a chicken deli fan today. It tastes slightly sweeter. The actual skin around it tastes a little bit crunchier. But don't get me wrong, this is a great Inasal too from the chicken house. I've eaten at chicken house many times and it's always good Inasal. Try a bit of the skin. Yep, very good Inasal there from the chicken house. Let's try a bit more from the chicken deli. I'll try a bit of the skin. Sorry chicken house, I think chicken deli are going to win today. I'll go to the wing. Taste the wing, because they are both very good Inasal. If chicken house can't grab me on the wing, it's going to chicken deli. I'll actually have to ask my wife as well what she thinks. She's actually born here, I'm not. So she should be a good judge of chicken Inasal as well. Okay. I'm being pushed towards chicken deli.
One is chicken deli and the other one is chicken house.
And last but not least, I'm going to ask my wife to check, see what she thinks. And she agreed with me, guys. Today's winner is chicken deli.